NFTs or non-fungible tokens are still hot and happening right now, and Crypto.com is actually pushing their own platform to become one of the more relevant players in this unique space. In this video, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to explore the Crypto.com/NFT platform and look at promising projects over there to see if they live up to the hype. Anyway, let's get right into the video. After you hit that like button and of course press the subscribe button for future content. Let's get started. Right now, you're watching the Crypto.com/NFT website, and currently this is the only way to actually access the Crypto.com/NFT platform. There's no app available, but in my experience, this works pretty well on mobile devices too. So you're good to go with a mobile phone as well. Anyway, so currently we're on the landing page, and over there we do see upcoming projects on the platform. And these are curated drops, so drops or NFTs that are coming soon that are marked by the Crypto.com team as, well, some kind of quality project. If you want to learn more about all these drops, well, we just simply click on drops over here and we go to a new page. If you then scroll down, well, we can see all upcoming drops. We do see current drops and the status. So for example, this upper one already is sold out. And we do see upcoming drops with the date, of course. If you want to learn more about a certain project, if you like the art, if you like the name, just click on it and some more information will open. So for example, you can read about the creator and you can read about the drop. For example, how many pieces there will be dropped, or you know, what kind of art style, or in this case, if there are any competitions running as well. Did you miss a drop of an NFT that you really liked? Well, no worries, you can still get it on the secondary marketplace. Therefore, well, we head over to marketplace and check out all the NFTs over there. Luckily for us though, they are divided into multiple categories. So if you like to look for them, well, you got art, for example, celebrities, gaming, my favorite, sports, music, or crypto. And also we got one more filter, and this one is very important, and that's the curated filter, which is on by default. If you disable it, well, we show all the NFTs on the marketplace. And these are also contains NFTs that are made by artists who did not participate with a curated drop. So they don't have the stamp of approval really of the Crypto.com platform, but still they can really contain gems. But sometimes there are also NFTs with copyright infringements or just in general lesser known artists. Overall though, just check it out. Check also out the non-curated NFTs. And also if you want to place your own NFTs on the secondary marketplace, that's easily done as well by creating. So we head over here, click create, and we can see what you have to do to actually become a creator on the platform. To make sure the platform is not overloaded by a bad artist, they do require you to do quite some things over here. Tell them about yourself, tell them about your art, maybe provide some kind of portfolio, share your Twitter, Instagram, whatever. It's some kind of application, and you do need to actually be approved by the platform, which might take some time. Anyway, check it out, guys, if you are a creator, to become part of the Crypto.com NFT ecosystem. Buying NFTs on the Crypto.com platform is also really easy. If you're hunting for drops, well, it's all based on the first come, first serve principle. So just get there early when you know the drop is coming. You'll be thrown into a waiting room and you'll be assigned a random number in the waiting room. Then you gotta wait till your number actually comes, and then you have up to like 10 minutes to actually get your package or your drop. Then guys, when it's all done, you can go to the marketplace and sell it. It's that easy. But let's assume right now you want to actually buy something from the marketplace. Let's actually go to this example. I want to buy this number 8 over here. Well, let's press over here. I want to buy this number 8. It shows right now the current bid price and the auction ending in 6 days and 70 hours. So this, guys, is the principle of an auction. So this card cannot be bought directly. But though, right now we can also go select edition. So I got this card, and there are of this card a lot more editions available. So this is edition 701. I'm gonna go select edition, and we do see all editions available over here. So from this drop alone, well, we can see there are 1,000 cards available. So what we do, if you want to filter on price, well, we go filter on price and see all the current bids. The cheapest one is currently $1. And we also see the 7 over here. The 7 doesn't show current bids, so that means it's a direct buy. if you want to filter on, well, for sale, we can filter on for sale. And we can also filter on, well, fixed price or auction. So I only want to see NFTs I want to buy directly. Just press fixed price. And over there, you can see all the NFTs you can buy directly. Cheapest one right now is $7. Let's check it out. And you can right now buy it for $7. We can press it over here. And you can see all different options available to actually buy the NFTs. You can actually buy with your Crypto.com Visa card if you got one. Or you can use your Crypto.com NFT balance. That one you can only get if you sell NFTs on the platform. Also, what you can use is Crypto.com Pay. And you can pay, for example, with your CRO, you can pay with USDT, or you can pay with all other kinds of cryptocurrency. That's pretty great if you ask me. I don't want to buy this right now, but if you want to, well, it's pretty easy. Okay, let's now assume you bought an NFT from a drop or from the secondary marketplace, or even created an NFT, where you can now find them under your assets. Let's go to My NFTs and you can see your whole collection. For example, right now, well, I do have the 24/7 trader over here. And if I click it, I will actually find my edition. I've got edition 1378. I can see all different collections and all different editions over here. And if I want to sell an NFT, again, the process is rather straightforward. Right now, I will click sell. And you can choose between a fixed price or an auction. For the fixed price, well, you can actually determine a price you want to sell for. And for the auction, well, we've got to do a bit more. We can say the starting bid, for example, $7 right now. And you got to select an expiration date. And I think right now the maximum is 7 days. Once you got an expiration date, well, we can also find the prices we've got to pay. For example, if there are any royalties, some collections do have that. And you can find the minimum service fee. So that will go to the Crypto.com platform. Finally, you can see the total amount you will actually get. So that's pretty cool. So selling is really easy. But let's go back to my collection currently and just look at what I got. I've got quite some NFTs. It's becoming quite an addiction, really. Anyway, next to your collectibles, you can find your packs. More about that a bit later. You can find all the NFTs you're selling, all the NFTs you created, and all the NFTs you liked. Also, if you actually find my account over here, you can find my account at Fable1 or GentleCoin, and you can click, for example, my Twitter page to actually go to my Twitter page. Definitely follow me at CoinGentle. Do a lot of crow things. For example, a bit, about my videos, talking about the TA, doing a bit more about the, the crow fam. A lot of good things, guys. Go to my Twitter page. Definitely check it out. And, become a follower. Anyway, we are talking right now about NFTs. If you go back to my collection, I do want to show you some promising projects right now, because Crypto.com is actually pushing a lot of different NFTs currently. For example, we do have the Crypto.com Metaverse ones. For example, right now, we've got the Lion Masters over here, but we do have a lot more things happening right now. For example, these cards. These are the Crypto.com cards. And if you go to brands right now, we can see all the big brands publishing right now on Crypto.com. For example, UFC, a big one for sports. We can see DeFi the Game. We see Heavy Metal. But I like the Crypto.com ones the most because they do seem rather genuine. And also, what kind of funny, I think they create pretty good art so far. For example, the spooky ones for Halloween. But there was quite a lot available by Crypto.com. And personally, I really like the Metaverse ones. For example, we also got these ones, the Trigger Ship, Jagger Ship, Pumpkin Ship. They are created a little metaverse right now, which is becoming more and more important. This one though, the Crypto.com cards, are being used for games. So you can actually get yourself some cards and participate in the poker games, for example, right now. I will leave some links in the description down below, but definitely check it out. And right now, I do have one more project, guys, so stay tuned, because I'm going to show you the Loaded Lions. The Loaded Lions were announced not that long ago, so you still have a chance to actually get yourself some of these lions. And also, guys, this will be a special drop because this will be the first generative NFTs on the platform. With generative meaning that, well, every NFT will be a one-of-a-kind, only sharing a few traits. So it's going to be pretty cool. Can be used, for example, as a profile photo. Pretty cool if you ask me. And more special, though, if you go look at the Twitter of crypto.com/NFT is that we can see there are some special, well, things about having one. So if you got a Load Lions NFT, well, you will get this membership, exclusive membership to the mainnet. So clever joke, clever joke. Anyway, which will include access to exclusive benefits and utilities. And we've seen more of these things in the past. So for example, you actually get some CRO if you earn enough NFTs. So what will actually happen? Well, we still got to wait and see. I will keep you up to date in the Discord as well and on Twitter, but also join the Crypto.com NFT Discord, or just the normal Discord, but there will be, well, channels for NFTs and especially for the Load Lions announcement. And guys, I do think there's going to be a big one, so definitely stay tuned. Lastly, ladies and gentlemen, this drop is for the people subscribed with the bell icon because, well, this drop is happening tomorrow, one day after the launch of this video. This will be for the crypto card collection for the CRO Spades. So guys, again, like I mentioned before, this will going to be a poker game and you got to hold some of these CRO Spades cards. If you hold enough and you hold, well, the good cards, for example, right now, I would love to get multiple aces. So the more aces you have, the better of a hand you have. Well, if you got a lot of those, you got a good chance to actually win some rewards. In this case, guys, you can actually win up to $400 worth of CRO. And even though if you don't have the best, well, hands, you can still get $150 worth of CRO or even a special exclusive NFT. And guys, these cards you see over here, these spades cards, we still got the heart cards, the club cards, got all the cards. These cards will be used in the future again for multiple games. So right now, if you buy them, you can actually unwrap them virtually. I will show you a little clip right now. But if you get some of these cards and you hodl them, well, you can actually go and participate with future games as well. It's going to be pretty cool if you ask me. To conclude, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you learned a lot more about the crypto.com/NFT platform. I showed you a lot of the features and I hope I showed you some promising projects by the crypto.com team. Overall, in my experience, the crypto.com NFT platform is great and, in my opinion, a bit better than the open ones like OpenSea because there are no gas wars, and for the beginning users of NFTs, I do think there are a lot of great features. There's definitely more room for growth, but overall, I got a great experience with buying and selling NFTs over here. So, ladies and gentlemen, this will get my Gentle Coin stamp of approval. I will remain using this platform, and I hope more projects will follow. Anyway, that's me, ladies and gentlemen. If you like this kind of content, let me know in the comments down below and by hitting the like button, and of course, subscribe for future content. But that is me, that is Gentle Coin, and I'll see you for future content. Till the next time.